everyone, in this video we are going to show you WebRTC phone integration in vTiger version 6.5. So what we have done is built an inbuilt phone into the CRM, so it becomes very easy to dial out and take incoming calls through the CRM. So let me just walk you through the demo. As you can see, I just clicked and straight away it's dialing the number from here, from the CRM itself. So I was just connected to the number and I just put the number on hold, and just wanted to show you this strip. This is the WebRTC phone. Now you do not require any Zyper or any IP phone or any hard phone to use this, to use an agent for extension. So you can directly make a call from the CRM, pick up the call from the CRM, accept the call from the CRM. So it's very smooth. I will just hang up this call, and when I go to my PBX manager, so the recordings are also this I just made an incoming call again to this. Now I can answer. I just answered from the browser itself, and I can pause the call and I can talk to the customer. While talking to the customer, we can add the customer as a lead and just whatever we want. Like if you want to edit as a contact, we can. There is a contact tab, add contact tab, and also an add organization tab. So you see, it's very smooth. The agent can just pick up the call from the CRM itself. No need to have any IP phone or any hard phone, right? So we have also done this for vTiger version 6.7. vTiger version 7, and hope to hear from you. Thank you very much.